Hello, I am Skan Verma, working in Ref2 as an R&D intern.
Hello, I'm Nikunj Maheshwari, working as an R&D intern in the company Rev2.
Hello, I am San Kumar, working in Web2 as an R&D intern.
So, we have constructed a major project which is based on IoT applications. It is called a Smart Dustbin. It is a fully autonomous project. It can detect a person or an object in front of the sensor, which is an ultrasonic sensor, up to 40 centimeters.
It consists of two ultrasonic sensors, one servo motor, jumper wires, one Arduino Uno, and a buzzer.
As you can see, when an object comes near a 40 centimeter, it will open for 5 seconds and then the lid will close. When the dustbin gets full, how do you get rid of it? That's where the second sensor, which is on the lid of it, comes to our use. As you can see here, this is our first ultrasonic sensor, which will detect the person in front of it to initiate the function of lid open. This is the second ultrasonic sensor, which will detect when the dustbin gets full, so it can initiate the sequence of buzzer. As you can see, here is a lot of wiring, but I will try to tell you that the blue board that you see here is the Arduino Uno. The motor you see here is the servo motor used in this kind of application.